Welcome back to My Favorite Tropes on SpeterTV. We're going to chase down the meaning of yet another term today. What is a running gag? It sounds dangerous, like running with food in your mouth or something and you trip and, something like that. But no. Well, according to tvtropes.org, a running gag is a joke whose humor derives from repetition, ideally becoming funnier each time it is repeated. It has to be repeated at least 3 times, otherwise it's a brick joke, which I'm probably going to cover in a different video. A running gag can be limited to just an episode, or it can be something that recurs throughout the entire series, or maybe a season. A pretty basic example of a running gag is a catchphrase. It's something a character is known for saying and they say it often, likely throughout an entire series. Now, some examples. In the Star Wars franchise, there's a running gag of someone saying, "I have a bad feeling about this," to the point that the Star Wars wiki has a whole page cataloging every appearance of the line. In iCarly, you have the running gag of anything Spencer works on catching fire randomly, or Gibby taking off his shirt, or Tebow selling something on a stick, and many others really. In Kenan and Kel, you have the running gag of, at the beginning and end of episodes, Kenan asks Kel to go grab some random items, and it just frustrates Kel to the point where he says, "Ah, here it goes," and then runs off stage. Or something goes wrong and Kenan yells, "Why?" Or, of course, who loves orange soda? Kel loves orange soda. Is it true? I do. Ooh. I probably watched that show too much. And also you have pretty much everything in Phineas and Ferb. You have Jazz getting thrown out of the house in Fresh Prince. You have Ron losing his pants in a variety of ways on Kim Possible, along with pretty much every villain always forgetting his name. Animaniacs have Hello Nurse and Mwah. Good night, everybody. Hey Arnold has Brainy sneaking up behind Helga only to be punched by him, and Eugene getting hurt and saying, "I'm okay." And that's a lot of examples. I'm doing a lot of voices right now. I might be going crazy. So thank you for watching. Please like or dislike this video, whichever one feels right. Leave a comment, let me know what trope you want me to talk about next. And subscribe if you want more. Go check out my other videos, see what else I do in here. See you next week.